In this video, I am going to share 12 affiliate marketing programs that you can apply to and start making money with right now. These are programs that work for beginners and experienced affiliate marketers alike. What I am sharing in this video is a refined list based on real results, long-term sustainability, and ease of use. These are affiliate programs that can realistically help you build consistent online income if you use them correctly. Let us get straight into the list. Number 1. Amazon Associates. This is the most important affiliate program on this list, and it is one that every affiliate marketer should be part of. Amazon Associates allows you to earn commissions on nearly every product sold on the Amazon platform. This includes electronics, home items, books, software, tools, and everyday essentials. The biggest strength of this program is product variety. No matter what niche you are in, there are products you can promote. Commission rates usually range between 1% and 10%, depending on the category. While those numbers may seem low at first, the real value comes from conversion rate and customer trust. Once someone clicks your Amazon affiliate link, any product they purchase within the next 24 hours earns you a commission. This means even if you promote a simple item, you can earn from everything added to their cart. Amazon is trusted globally. People already have accounts, and checkout is fast. This results in higher conversions than most other platforms. Number 2. Adobe. Adobe is one of the strongest software affiliate programs available. It is ideal for creators who make content related to design, video editing, photography, or digital creativity. If you create tutorials for Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Illustrator, or any other Adobe software, this program fits naturally into your content. Adobe pays 85% of the first month's subscription fee. Most plans cost between $30 and $70 per month. This means each sign-up can earn you between $30 and $50. With consistent content, these commissions can stack quickly. The real advantage of Adobe is search intent. People actively search for tutorials and solutions. By teaching them how to use these tools, you are solving real problems while earning affiliate income at the same time. Number 3. TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is one of the fastest-growing affiliate platforms right now. It allows creators to promote physical products directly inside TikTok videos. These products range across multiple categories, including tech, beauty, home, fitness, and lifestyle. Many creators succeed by reviewing products they already own or items they purchase specifically for content. Short-form videos can go viral quickly, and when that happens, affiliate commissions scale rapidly. Some creators generate large income numbers from a single successful product video. There are entry requirements, such as follower minimums, and promotions must remain on TikTok. You cannot promote these products on other platforms. Despite that limitation, TikTok Shop remains one of the strongest options for creators focused on short-form video. Number 4. Stan. Stan is a platform designed specifically for creators who want to monetize their audience. It allows users to sell digital products, run coaching sessions, book calls, and manage their entire creator business from one dashboard. The affiliate program offers 20% recurring commissions. The base plan costs $29 per month, earning you approximately $6 per user each month. Higher tier plans can earn around $20 per month per referral. The real power of this program lies in recurring income. Once someone signs up through your link, you continue earning every month they remain subscribed. Over time, this can turn into a stable passive income stream that grows year after year. Number 5. Target. Target's affiliate program works very similarly to Amazon, but with one major advantage. It offers a 7-day cookie window. This means if someone clicks your link and purchases within 7 days, you still earn a commission. Target has a massive range of products, making it suitable for many niches. Home products, electronics, clothing, and lifestyle items perform especially well. The average earnings per click are strong, which means even moderate traffic can generate solid income. For creators who focus on reviews, shopping guides, or lifestyle content, this program is an excellent addition. Number 6. FreshBooks. Accounting software affiliate programs are some of the highest paying offers available. FreshBooks pays up to $200 per conversion. This makes it one of the most lucrative affiliate programs on this list. While accounting topics may seem intimidating, that difficulty creates opportunity. Fewer creators compete in this space, and users actively search for solutions. Businesses are willing to pay for tools that simplify bookkeeping. One well-optimized tutorial or guide can generate tens of thousands of dollars over time. This program rewards creators who focus on clarity and education. Number 7. Coinbase. Coinbase offers 50% of trading fees for the first 3 months after a user signs up. This structure makes it especially profitable when users trade larger amounts. This affiliate program works best for creators producing content related to investing, finance, or cryptocurrency education. Coinbase is widely trusted, which helps increase signups and conversions. Even small percentages add up when trading volumes increase, making this a strong option for finance-focused creators. Number 8. Expedia. Expedia allows affiliates to earn up to 4% commission on bookings such as hotels, flights, and experiences. Travel bookings often involve high transaction values, which makes even small percentages valuable. A single hotel booking can earn over $100 in commission. Travel bloggers, vloggers, and guide-based websites perform especially well with this program. Success depends on traffic volume and trust. When users trust your recommendations, they are more likely to book through your links. Number 9. Etsy. Etsy offers a 4% commission rate with a 30-day cookie window. This extended cookie period gives buyers time to return and purchase while still crediting you. Etsy specializes in handmade, custom, and unique products. This makes it ideal for creators in gifting, home decor, lifestyle, and creative niches. Seasonal content performs particularly well with Etsy products. Number 10. Surfshark. Surfshark is a VPN service with strong affiliate payouts. The program offers approximately 40% revenue share with a 30-day cookie window. VPNs are easy to explain and relevant to a wide audience. VPNs solve real problems, including privacy, streaming access, and security. Because of this, conversions tend to be high. This program works across many content types, making it one of the most flexible affiliate offers available. Number 11. Mattress affiliate programs. High-ticket affiliate products offer massive earning potential. Mattress brands often pay commissions around 10%. Since mattresses are expensive, a single sale can generate hundreds of dollars. Buyers research heavily before purchasing, which makes review-based content extremely effective. You don't need massive traffic. A small number of conversions can produce significant income. If a company does not advertise an affiliate program, reach out directly. Many brands are willing to create one for creators who can send them customers. Number 12. YouTube Shopping. YouTube Shopping allows creators to earn up to 15% commission by tagging products directly inside videos. These product links are embedded, reducing friction and improving conversions. This feature is still expanding and currently limited to certain regions and subscriber counts. As YouTube continues investing in social commerce, this program is expected to grow significantly. Final thoughts. These are the 12 affiliate marketing programs I recommend applying to this year. If you found value in this breakdown, consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.